Hi, my name is Sandra. I'm going to present to you one of my greatest accomplishments in life. In my life, I've had many great accomplishments and reached many goals. Looking back on my life, there are several accomplishments of which I'm quite proud of. 1, graduating high school with honors. 2, being a great mother to a 7-year-old boy. Overall, these are great accomplishments, but my one achievement I am especially proud of is making the Dean's List and graduating with an Associates of Arts. This is an overview of what I'll be discussing in my presentation. First off is my life. I am a mother to a 7-year-old boy, full of energy, compassionate, wouldn't trade him for anything in the world. I currently work 2 jobs. My first full-time job is working at the dermatology clinic. I have been there for 8 years, very dedicated. I work alongside with Dr. Sivik as his team lead. I also work at the emergency room. I have been there for 12 years. It's a very fast-paced environment. I work there on the weekends as a part-time job. I am also a full-time student, currently working 12 hours. My greatest accomplishment in life is making the Dean's List and maintaining a great GPA and graduating with an Associates of Arts. I am a very dedicated, compassionate person and set goals for myself to maintain these accomplishments. Benefits of the Dean's List. First off is personal achievement. The Dean's List is a solid evidence that you worked in college, did your best during the academic year. I was very dedicated in achieving this. Secondly, invitation to special events. At our college, we had a receptionist where we honored the students that made the Dean's List, made them feel proud, dedicated them to making a great GPA and carrying it on through the school year. Getting your name recognized. Having your name recognized in the newspaper, at the college, makes you feel important, shows you worked hard, maintaining to be on the Dean's List. Attractiveness to your prospective employers. This is very important. Your employer might feel that you're dedicated in carrying your GPA and being on the Dean's List, that you would carry it over for your place of employment, which is very important in life. Prestige is being looked at upon favorable students and your fellow faculty, and they maintain to show your dedication in being on the Dean's List. Dean's List is an honor that is not easy to maintain. I have found this out, and it is very hard to maintain, but if you are dedicated and set goals for yourself, as I did, I set small goals to end with a big goal. I am very organized. I set up a calendar to schedule my tests, homework, stay on top of it, don't miss any assignments. Find a quiet place to study is very important. I have found being in a dorm is very hard to study, get anything accomplished. Attend all your classes. It is very important to attend classes, not miss any classes or any assignments. Implement the 15-minute review. I have found that sometimes during the day, if I had any free time, I would implement a 15-minute study review in a class, kind of help refresh my brain. Limit social interactions. I have found that I don't do social media. It sidetracks my brain. It doesn't help me comprehend or concentrate on my schoolwork. And honestly, I don't have time. Study, study, study. I have to study, 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 and dedicate myself to study to maintain a great GPA and accomplish being on the Dean's List. Dedication. You can accomplish anything when you set your mind to it. I set, like I said earlier, many goals to set for my big goal. Someone dedicated is someone who is willing to do anything to accomplish what they set for themselves. And I am a very dedicated person who sets goals for myself. Dedication is something that takes a lot of hard work, commitment, and will pay off in the end. Overall, dedication pays off, and you can achieve and accomplish anything when you set your mind to it. The Dean's List is an honor, which I am very honored to be on the Dean's List, that most community college reserves for the committed to academic excellence. If you believe you are a part of this crowd being formulated positive habits like those outlined above, doing so will keep you on top of your studies and be on the Dean's List semester after semester. This is a very important thing to me, to be on the Dean's List, carry a great GPA, because I feel like this will carry forward in my future employment to show how dedicated I am. These are the references that I used in my PowerPoint presentation. And thank you so much for viewing my PowerPoint, and I hope you enjoy my greatest accomplishments in life as I do. Thank you.